Hello YouTube. In this video, we are going to design a fire alarm. The components we need here are a 33K resistor, a 470 ohm resistor, a 10K thermistor, a 14001 diode, a polarized 10 mF capacitor, a BC547 transistor, an LED, a buzzer, a battery, and a breadboard. Now let us put these components aside and see the working of a circuit. In our fire alarm circuit, the main components are the thermistor, the diode, and the BC547 transistor. The property of thermistor is that the resistance of the thermistor decreases with the increase in the temperature. So when we apply a source of heat or temperature, the resistance of the thermistor decreases. As the resistance of the thermistor decreases, a small amount of current is allowed to pass through the thermistor. This small amount of current is given to the diode. This diode drives the current and gives it to the base of the transistor. When there is a base current to the transistor, this transistor acts as an on switch. When the transistor is in the on state, current is allowed to pass through the collector and the emitter. When the current is passed through the collector, the LED and buzzer starts to beep. This is how a circuit works. Now let us make the connections on the breadboard and design a circuit. Now once when we are ready with the components, place the transistor on the breadboard. Make the rest all connections as shown in the circuit. Now after completing the connections of the components of the breadboard, give the power supply to the breadboard by giving the 5 volts to the upper rail of the breadboard and ground to the lower rail of the breadboard. Now once when we have given the power supply, let us test a circuit whether it is working or not. As you can see, when the temperature of the thermistor increases, the LED blinks and the buzzer beeps. Hope you enjoyed our video and learn how to make a fire alarm. If you like our video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.